Hello children, you are welcome to today's lesson on mathematics. Is Christopher Adebwatin, your mathematics presenter. Our topic is addition, making one addend end in zero and adding. The objective: by the end of the lesson, you will be able to do addition, making one addend end in zero. By making one addend end in zero. Question 1, we have 28 plus 37. 28 plus 37. We said one of the addends should end in zero. So 28 and 37. We are choosing 28 to be the number that will end in zero. So from 28, what is the next number which will end in zero? 28, 29, 30. So two numbers are needed. Because of that, we say 28 plus 2, and that will give us 30. 30 ends in 0. Then we have 37. 37. We have to take away 2 from it, because we added 2 to 28 to get 30, which ends in 0. So 37, we have to take 2 from it. When we take 1, we get 36. When we take another one, we get 35. So how many numbers are here? 2. So that will also make 37 minus 2, and that will give us 35. 35. Okay. So now the problem becomes 30 plus 35. 30 plus 35. 0 plus 5 will give us 5. This is it. 3 plus 3, that will give us 6. So 30 plus 35 will finally give us 65, which is the same as 20 plus 37. So our answer is 65. Let's go to question 2. 47 plus 45. 47. The next number which will end in 0 will be 50. So let's count from 47. How many numbers do we need? 1, 2, 3. So that will be 47 plus 3, and that will give us 50. 47 plus 3, 48, 49, 50. So that will give us 50. Then 45. We shall subtract 3 from the 45. So from 45, if you subtract 1, you get 44. 44, if you subtract 1 again, we have 43. 43, if you subtract 1 again, you get 42. That is here. So the problem is now 50 plus 42. 50 plus 42. 0 plus 2, that will give us 2, correct? So we put the 2 here. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4, that will give us, oh, not 8. 9. Good. So our problem, 50 plus 42 becomes 92. 92, which is the same as 47 plus 45. So 47, 45 will give the same answer, 92, as 50 plus 42. So we write here 92. Now let's go to question 3. That is 59 plus 36. 59 plus 36. From 59, the next number which will end in 0 is 59, 60. So we add 1, and that is what we have done. We have one number. So it's 59 plus 1. That will give us 60. Then 36. We have to subtract 1. Because the 59, we added 1 to get to the number which ends in 0. So we have to subtract 1 from the 36. When you subtract 1 from 36, we get 35. Now it becomes 60 plus 35. 0 plus 5 will give us 5. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. That will give us 95. So 60 plus 35 will give us 95, which is the same as 59 plus 36. 59 plus 36. So 59 plus 36 is the same as 60 plus 35, and the answer is 95. Then we go to question 4. 36 plus 45. 36, to get to the number which ends in 0, that will be 36. Let's count. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So we have 37, 38, 39, 40. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers. So that will give us 36 plus 4, and that will give us 40. Now let's come to 45. Because we added 4 to 36 to get the number which ends in 0, we subtract 4 from 45. And let's check. 45 minus 1, we get 44. 44 minus 1, we get 43. 43 minus 1, we get 42. 42 minus 1, we get 41. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that we have 4 numbers. So we subtract 4 from 45, and that will give us 41. Now we have to add 40 to 41. 0 plus 1. That will give us 1. Four plus 4. That will give us 4 plus 4 will be 8. Good. So our answer becomes 81. 81, which is the same as 36 plus 45. 81. Now we go to question 5. That is 78 plus 22. 78 plus 22. Now from 78, the next number which will end in 0 will be 78, 79, then 80. So we have 79 and 80. How many numbers? 1, 2. So that will be 78 plus 2, and that will be 80. 78 plus 2, and that is going to give us 80. Now 22, we must subtract 2 because we added 2 to 78 to get 80, which ends in 0. We subtract 2 from 22. So let's see. If you take 1 from 22, you get what? 21. We take 2, we take 22. When you take 1, you get 21. Then 21. When you again take 1 from it, you get 20. So it means how many numbers? 1, 2. So this also becomes 22 minus 2. That will give us 20. Now we have to add 80 to 20. That is 80 plus 20. 0 plus 0 will give us 0. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 will give us 10. So 80 plus 20 will give us, oh no, not 100, 100. Say it, 100. This 80 plus 20 is giving us 100. It is the same as 78 plus 22, and that will also give us 100. Let's go to question 6, which is 66 plus 43. 66 plus 43. Now 66, the next number which will end in 0 is, so let's count, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. So 66, the next number which will end in 0 is 70, which is 66 plus 4. And these are the numbers: 67, 68, 69, 70. How many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we get 66 plus 4, which will give us 70. Now, let's come to 43. We added 4 to 66 to get a number which will end in 0, which is 70. So we have to subtract 4 from 43. And let's see, if you subtract 1 from 43, you get 42. 42, you subtract 1, that will be 41. 41, you subtract 1, that will be 40. 40, you subtract 1, and that will be 39. So our 43 now becomes 43 minus 4, which will give us 39. So we are adding 70 to 39. 70 to 39. 0 plus 9, that will give us 9. 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will give us 10. And this is the 10. So we get 109 by adding 70 to 39. By adding 70 to 39, which is the same as 66 plus 43. 6 plus 3 will give us 9. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. Good. So we see that 66 plus 43 is the same as 70 plus 39, because they all have the answer 109, not 109, it's 109. Good. Now we come to question 7, which is 58 plus 47. 58 plus 47. So 58, the next number which will end in 0 will be, let's count, 58, 59, then 60. So 58, 59, 60. So our 58 will be 58 plus 2, and that will give us 60. 58 plus 2, that will give us 60. Then 47. When you subtract 1 from 47, you get 46. 46. Again, subtract 1. That will give us 45. So it means 47 minus 2, we shall get 45. Now we have 60 to add to 45. 60 to add to 45. 0 plus 5, that will give us 5. Good. Then 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 will give us 10. Good. So what will be the answer? 60 plus 45. What will be the answer? 105. 105. Let's check with 58 plus 47. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. Take 2 from the 7 and add to the 8. And that will be 10. Then the 5. That will give us 15. So what do we put here? 5. Carry 1. 1 plus 5 will be 6. 6 plus 4 will be 10. Good. So 58 plus 47 will give us 105. And 60 plus 45 is also giving us 105. So 58 plus 47 is the same as 60 plus 45, or will give us 105. If you compare the answers, those on our left and those on our right, they all have, for question 1, the first one is 65 on the left, and on the right 65, which means they are the same. 47 plus 45, we get 92. 50 plus 42, we get 92. So it's the same. Now when we come here, 59 plus 36, we got 95. Then 60 plus 35 also gave us 95. So 95, 95, which means 59 plus 36 is the same as 60 plus 35. When we come here, we have 36 plus 45, which gave us 81 as the answer. Now when we wanted to end, one of them to end in 0, we had 40 plus 41, and that also gives us the same 81. Let's check with 78 plus 22 and 80 plus 20. 78 plus 22 gave us 100. 100. Then 80 plus 20 also gave us 100, which means 78 plus 22 is the same as 80 plus 20. The answer being 100. The answer being 100. Now let's come here. 66 plus 43 gave us 109. And 70 plus 39 also gave us 109. That means 66 plus 43 is equal to 70 plus 39, all being 109. Let's come to question 7. 58 plus 47 give us 105, and 60 plus 40 also gave us 105, which means 58 plus 47 is the same as 60 plus 45, or having the answer 105. Okay, now let's come to homework. Do the following addition by making one addend end in 0. Question 1, 46 plus 24. Question 2, 75 plus 32. And question 3, 87 plus 12. You take the assignment home, do it nicely. When we meet, we shall discuss. Also soon, children, our lesson has ended. Goodbye. We shall meet next week.